Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. You are watching my YouTube channel Technical EKS, and I'm going to show you how to make money online by playing games. This is easiest method you can make money online your mobile phone. Just invest time, not money. If you invest more time, then you make more money. Only time, okay? Make money like 200 to $500, and it's depend on your time, how much you time invested. If you are watching first time my YouTube video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. Just click button subscribe. There is a click subscribe button. Just click, and also enable notification bell to press all. Thank you for very much. Now let's get started. Now application link in description, so you can click on this video description, and there is a link here in description. Okay, there is a link in description in this video description. Now link is open and redirect to Play Store. Okay, now install this application. Okay, I install, so the installing. Okay, now they are installed. Then open this application. Now completely open, and there is a two option. You can continue with Google, and second option you can continue with email. So I click Google. If you are emails, so you click it. Now this is necessary, and you allow draw other draw other apps in your display. So I allowed. Okay, continue. And there's a learn more. You click learn more, complete earn points tasks, and then next. Okay, next. Now open. These are three options. First one is casual, and second is regular, third is power. Casual is you earn low money, low effort, 15 minutes per day. Okay. Second is regular, medium effort, and make money to casual to high, 30 minutes per day. High, this is last, so I click last and one because I earn lot of money 60 days away. Then continue, set effort. There's a we are set your first cash out goal, so there's a earning goal, not today, so continue. Then continue, complete tour, and then 10 points to extra giving. Okay, then I like to explore first. Okay, now there's a many option. Okay, location is not necessary, not allow. Okay, there's a 4 option, and last is 5th, quick payout. This is video option. You can also play this application and offer service deals and video. You are watching videos, then you can earn money. Like here is a 10 and 3600 points. I have a 10 points and 3600 points to withdraw my cash 25 cents. Okay, this is the easiest method. You can earn 40,000 points per day. Okay, then you can withdraw 50,000 55,000 points per day. If you effort high, so you can withdraw $20. Like last one is 27,250 points, $10 withdraw pay. Okay, there is a video section. Just click. Okay, I click. Then continue. Then wait and watch full video ad. Okay. Okay, then cut, and you got a 3 points. If you watch another video, then click another watch. Then go to game section. Then press continue. Please read carefully this terms and service and accept. So there are 2 games available in this section. Click play games. You complete every level, earn 26 points each level. Just okay, just click install. If you play this, there is play button. Okay, I click it. Then redirect to Play Store. Just click install Play Store and make money just playing games. Okay, every level 26 points. Then go to third method is go to offer. Then press continue. and there is many offers are here, and there's a 23,000 points, 20,000 point. If you complete 21,000 points, many offers like 1 lakh 70,000 points. Okay, so if you complete one offer, you can each offer give 23,443. if you play per game and complete requirements, then earn $10 every game. Okay, now this is requirement is get 70 meter deep, 2 points, then get 400 234 points, 1800 1641 points, 3000 2100 566 points, and this complete earn up to 23,000 points in 21 days. This offer is valid under 21 days. You will complete this offer, okay, and earn 23,000 points. Then click on survey. Okay, then continue, press continue. Okay, now click bit left survey, and there are many surveys are here. You complete each survey, make $2, $5. Every minute you can make $2. 3 minutes you can make $3, $4. Every minute you can make dollars. Okay, so you can earn survey offers. And fourth one is high pay. These options are here. One application download and pay $5. There is a very high pay. You can click just application and you complete everything, and in one give this application $5 in your PayPal account. Okay, this application is cool, but how we get our money to withdraw? You see the last option is redeem option. Just click, and there's a one payment method, only PayPal. The minimum is 10 cents, 2,150 points only. There are many options. The last one is $10, 27,250 points only. 27,250. If you buy a smartwatch like 33,000 points only, you buy it. This application is very cool. My estimate, you earn per day $50 to $150. My favorite option is offer. If you earn daily offer, then you can high effort, so you can complete $150 per day. $150 per day. So that's the best application in the world. So video is end. If you like this video, then please press like button, and also please click subscribe button. If you have any problem this related to this video, then feel free to contact me.